In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Deriv P2P platform so that you can withdraw and deposit money into your Deriv account using any local payment methods of any supported country. So first of all, what is Deriv P2P? So Deriv P2P is a platform where Deriv traders can deposit and withdraw money to their accounts directly from user to user. So let's say, for example, you're a Deriv user and you want to deposit money into your Deriv account. Instead of going using a card or using another payment methods, what you can do is, if you want to use your local payment method, you can find someone who is already on Deriv P2P, and then you can exchange money with them directly. So you send them money directly to their account by using any e-wallet of your choice, and then that person is going to transfer money from their account to your account. And Deriv have got a security structure for that, so that you cannot get scammed if you do it the right way. And I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. So let me show you how the Deriv P2P platform looks like, right? So right here, we have the Deriv P2P platform, right? We have two sections right here. We have the buy and the sell. The buy section is for people who have created their ads and they want to help people who want to deposit. So if you want to deposit, you can choose from these people right here. We also have the sell section. So if you do have money in your own Deriv account and you want to withdraw it, you can just come here and find someone, and then you can be able to exchange money from your account to them, right? But what you want to look for if you are looking to exchange money with someone on Deriv is how many orders have they completed, how big is their reviews, or how good is their reviews and ratings, and also what is their completion rate percentage, right? The other thing that you want to look for is the rates, right? So the rate is the amount of money that you need to give to that person so that they can be able to transfer money to your account, the amount you want. So let's say, for example, if I choose anyone right here, let's say I choose right here, and then what I'm going to do is, let's say I put let's say 100. I want to deposit 100, right? So what if I want to deposit 100? I would pay this person $110, and then I will be able to place an order. And once I place an order, Deriv is going to hold this amount from this person's account. So they will hold this amount for security reasons. And then what I will do is, I will send according to their instruction, the seller's instruction, I can be able to send the money directly using any payment method, right? Once I send the money, they can now confirm to Deriv that they have received the money, and then Deriv will release the money to my own account. Now, if you don't want to use the rates that are here, what you can do is you can create your own ads or adverts, right? So on the left hand side right here on the panel, if you are using your computer, if you are using your phone, there's going to be a menu, and then you can see where it says my ads, right? So here, where it says my ads right here, let's say right now I wanted to deposit $100. Instead of going to the market to find people who are already there, what I can do is I can just go create an ad. What I want to do is I want to buy, and let's say I want to buy using USD like this, right? So I will just say, okay, if I want to deposit $100, I'm willing to pay maybe 105, because honestly what happens most of the time is because of charges and bank rates and something like that, right? Most people, if you are depositing, they are not going to be willing to deposit for you at 1:1, but you can put 1.05, or you can put 1.03, which means you're going to send someone $103, and then they will be able to send you $100 to your Deriv account. So for example, I want to buy 100, and then the minimum amount that I want someone to give me is 100, and maximum 100. You can choose anyone that you want. Once I do this, the next thing that I can do is I can click next, and then once I do this, I can select the payment methods that I want people to use that I want to be able to use to send to this person, and then I can add instructions right here, and then you click next, and then I can set the number of minutes that I can be able to complete in, right? So if I can be able to send this money in 15 minutes, then I can choose 15 minutes, and then I can select the countries that I want to be able to send to. so that the transaction can go through. And then what you want to do, click on create ad. And then once you do that, your ad is going to be created. You can go to your ad and see how it looks like, right? So this is the ad that we have just created. But now there's a few things that you need to look for if you are looking to use the Deriv peer-to-peer platform. As I said, first thing that you want to do is you want to look at the ratings. You want to look at the completion rate of the user that you are dealing with, right? Then the most important part that you want to understand if you are using the Deriv peer-to-peer is, please do not communicate with the users outside of your Deriv chat. Now, the reason for this is to make sure that all the communication that you do with this other person can be interacted or can be interfered by Deriv, so that, for example, let's say something happens and then there's a dispute between the two of you. Deriv can come in and then solve the dispute, and then they can see what was the communication and what happened when you are doing this transaction. Then the other thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that try by all means to avoid cash transactions, because what Deriv does is, if there is a dispute between a buyer and a seller, they want to see the transaction history. So if you use cash transactions, then it's going to be hard for you to trace the transaction. So make sure you use e-wallet, bank transfers, and something that gives you a transaction statement. So if you want to start using Deriv peer-to-peer platform, check out the link in the description, or just go to deriv.com, create your account, and then go and start using Deriv peer-to-peer right now.